Hello students, I am Mamta before you. Now come to second part of the first question of the exercise 1.2. Question is, every point on the number line is of the form under root m, where m is a natural number. In the number line, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. We have also negative numbers in the number line. So, it is not possible that every point on the number line is of the form under root m, where m is a natural number. So, the answer is no, because the number line also has negative numbers. Now come to third part. Every real number is an irrational number. We all know that every number is a real number. So, real number, we divided it into two parts, that is rational and irrational. I already taught you. So, every real number is an irrational number. No, every real number, it is not possible that it is only a real irrational number is a real. But there are rational numbers also which are real. So, the answer is no, every real number is not an irrational number. Before proceeding question number 3 of exercise 1.2, we will study representation of under root 2 on the number line. So, first of all, draw a number line. Mark 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. For this, we should know what is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In Pythagoras theorem, there is right angle triangle. This is base. This is perpendicular. And this is hypotenuse. We know that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So, before proceeding this, we should know what is Pythagoras theorem. Now take, if base is 1, perpendicular is 1, then hypotenuse will be, perpendicular is 1, base is 1, then hypotenuse will be, this will be 1 square is 1 square is 1, that is 2. Now hypotenuse square, then hypotenuse, this square goes here and becomes square root. So, if we take base as 1 and perpendicular as 1, we will get hypotenuse as under root 2. Now come to representation of under root 2 on the number line. Here, this is 1 unit. 1 unit. Make a perpendicular from here with the help of compass. So, this is the perpendicular. Now, cut 1 unit from this point. आप स्केल से नाप लेंगे कंपास में and cut 1 unit here. So, it is 1 unit and join this point to this point. Now, take a compass, put the needle here and take a radii. रेडियाई लेंगे, कंपास खोल के पेंसिल यहाँ रखेंगे और यहाँ से हम एक रेडियाई बना देंगे. Okay? This will come like this. So, it is a point where under root 2 lies. And the value of under root 2 is 1.414 something. So, it will comes between 1 and 2. So, it is all about under root 2. अब अगर हमें under root 3 बनाना है, under root 3 के लिए भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. From here, we will make perpendicular. With a compass, make the perpendicular from here, put the needle here and rotate करके perpendicular draw करने के बाद फिर से यहाँ compass की needle रख के 1 unit लेकर यहाँ cut करेंगे. Then join this point to this and take this as radii और radii लेंगे और इसे फिर से ऐसे करके हम बना देंगे. It will lie somewhere here. This will be under root 3. The value of under root 3 is 1.732. It will come between 1 and 2. So this is all about under root 2, under root 3. आपको under root 4 बनाना है. Under root 4 means 2. 2 तो यहाँ पे लाई करना है. under root 5 बनाना है. तो इसे ऐसे ही करके हम एक्सटेंड करते रहेंगे. 2 आएगा. मैं ऑलरेडी आपको बता चुकी हूँ. बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज फॉर्मूला लगा के हम दिस इज 1 यूनिट एंड दिस इज 1 यूनिट. दिस विल कम अंडर रूट 2. मैं ऑलरेडी ये बता चुकी हूँ आप लोगों को. अब ये देखो यहाँ पे अंडर रूट 3 कैसे आएगा. दिस इज अंडर रूट 2 एंड दिस इज द बेस फॉर दिस ट्राइंगल, दिस राइट एंगल triangle. This is the base. So under root 2 square base square plus this is 1 unit. 1 square is equals to hypotenuse. इसके लिए hypotenuse है. So under root 2 का square means 2 plus 1 is equals to hypotenuse square. Then hypotenuse ये square यहाँ जाके square root हो जाएगा. 2 plus 1 3. This is under root 3. So यहाँ पे आपका under root 3 लाई करा. Now come to question number 3 of exercise 1.2, that representation of under root 5 on the number line. I already taught you the Pythagoras theorem, that is a right angle triangle. Base आप ले लेंगे 2 and 1. So it will become under root 5. So with the help of this we can represent under root 5 on the number line. How? The base is 2, so take 2 units. 2 units and make the perpendicular from here. Perpendicular draw करने के बाद we should cut the radii of 1 unit. 1 unit लेंगे हम ये. Then join this with this. So it will become under root 5. Under root 5 हो गया. Now take O. This point is A and this is B. Now taking AB as radii and cut the arc. So it will come somewhere here. So under root 5 lies between 2 and 3. So this is all about question number 3. See you soon in the next video.